I've started it. I'm fucking shit scared right now. Oh my god. They can hear you, by the way. The sound's like, yeah. You can't see the whole of the screen, by the way. Oh my god, I'm shit. Oh my god! Oh my fucking hell. Right, where do we go? Oh my god. She's actually Velma. Someone go first, I don't want to get here. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm playing this. Oh shit, scared. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this. No, come back! Velma, come back! Velma! It's over there. Oh. I can hear what? It's that, it's that. I'm scared. I can't believe I'm playing this. Tommy, why? What's Terraria? What? What? Don't scare me, please. Velma? Velma? Yeah. I'm so scared. What's on the right? What's that shadow? Oh my god! Oh. My heart is actually going boom, boom. Oh! Oh my god, what the fuck? Where? What's behind us? What's getting closer? What? I've lost someone. I can just see shadows. Is it? I don't know. What's that noise? What's that noise? What the fuck is that? Oh my god, oh my god. I almost lost you. What was getting closer, by the way? I don't like being at the end. Click X for flashlight. Stop stopping! Your face is scary. Oh, your shadow. Oh my god, it's actually light. It's okay. I'm following Velma. I can't see anything on my screen now. Stop doing that, Tommy. Oh, what's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? Oh, fucking. What's that noise? Seriously, I'm actually gonna. No, I'm following Velma. Oh my god, there's a. What the fuck is that? It's a rock. It's okay. It's okay. Seriously, Cam, I'm following you. I'm scared. Oh my god. Oh my god, I really don't like this. No, no, no. Do not go in there. Velma, follow us. Oh my god. I'm actually freaking out. Oi. Oh my god. What happens when they... What is that? Did you not just hear that noise? Seriously? Oh my god. Like, what happens when they attack you? Is it random? Why? Oh! Yeah, there's like, my screen started going fuzzy. Like a green colour. I think that's... What? That's Tommy. You don't look blonde, you look more ginger. I'm actually like, oh my god, what is that? There's like a, oh, it's a rope, it's a rope. What the why is there a cave? No, I don't want to go inside it. What? No. What is it? What can you see? I can't see it.
It's going to tickle your belly button.
Oh, that's just disgusting. Don't say that. What is it? What's... Oh! What the... It's in me! Oh, it's in me! 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 I saw a ghost! I saw a ghost! I saw it! I actually saw it. I actually saw it. Like, what was it? It's like a man. Turban? No. I can hear noises. Get the carrot. Okay, I'll get the carrot for you. No. I hate this game. No, but then I don't know where I'm going and you walk away from me. No, but then what when he attacks you, does he literally just like attack you? Like, I don't know. And like, kills you and shreds you to pieces? Oh. What, just randomly just grabs you? Can we go this way? No! Velma can go first. I can't even see you. Stop running. I don't want to. Quick. I'm scared.
I'm on my own.
Cam, quickly across the stones before he eats you. Can he teleport like Slender? Oh my god. What is that? Oh, I'm dying. Run. We're back at the church. No, we're not. What is that? What? No, we're not teleporting. Your shadow's really starting to creep me out. It's like you can see. Oh my god. Seriously. I'm actually like pissing myself right now. That stone! What, Cam? We just came this way. We came this way. I just saw something on the floor. Keep going.